ma'am. Oh, very nice. So sweet. So, ma'am,
Yeah.
okay, very nice. She looks so adorable. She's girl. Is she's girl, right? Right, ma'am?
Yeah, my both baby are girls.
Okay, okay.
And
Wow. Hello.
they, hi.
Wow. Yeah, he really knows his English very well.
Light coming, so that's why they are uh, playing on roof.
Okay, ma'am. So, how's your morning today?
Good, very good.
Okay, very nice.
Because
So, ma'am,
some you can see so many sunlight are coming. Uh,
yeah,
yeah,
okay.
and
I
now
think
yeah,
in your place, I think the weather is very nice, right?
yeah, today only today, not before.
Okay. Okay,
Even
ma'am.
even today also holiday for winter vacation. But
Yeah, yeah,
today, yeah, weather is so good.
yeah. Same here in my place also. Weather is as a normal, you can say.
Yes,
So,
yes.
so, ma'am, we are meeting first time. So, I would like to know a little bit about you.
Okay, why not? So my name is Punita. I'm from UP, from Azamgarh district. Yeah. And if you talk about my qualification, I have done my graduation in science, and after that I have done a diploma BTC, which is related to teacher eligibility test. And if you talk about my hobby, so my hobby is listening song and listening song, and cooking. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you.
lovely. Wonderful, ma'am. And, ma'am, do you I'm really curious. When did you start your English journey? How?
Yeah, I have been starting from 1 year, near about 1 year, but not I was not continue due to some
Okay.
problem. And understood we have so many works and some works, uh, and sometime I that time I was procrastinating. Yeah, this is the
Okay.
reason. Before 1 month, I continue, and I'm here.
Oh, you speak very nice, really. I really noticed this thing. You have really good confidence.
Yeah, I'm trying. Daily basis. Yeah, I try to daily basis 20-30 minutes minimum, and yeah,
Okay,
that's
ma'am.
why.
So, ma'am, as you tell me, you are a teacher. So, are you teaching in a private school or government school?
No, no, because I have done my diploma related to teacher. That's why my profession is teacher, as a teacher. And I'm not teaching any school right now because I have a 4 month baby. So that's why I have no more time for go to any private school. But I'm preparing for government job. When any notification releases by government, then I apply, and maybe
Okay,
what
okay.
will see. Yeah.
Same here, ma'am. Same here. I'm also teaching in a private school for 2 years. Okay. So,
I
I
used
can
to
understand.
now no because
Yeah,
I
I'm
have
also
baby.
teacher. Okay. But really, you speak very nice. And, ma'am, have you ever taken any classes for
No,
learning a
no,
speech? Oh,
no, no.
wow. That's really
Everything
amazing.
I'm doing by myself, by the help of social media.
Wow. Yeah,
Because,
I
yeah,
can.
yeah, you can understand. We have no any particular free time. While working as a housewife, and being two kids mother, we have no any particular free time. That this time we are free. So we have no uh, any particular time. That's why we can't able to take any subscription or take any online classes. So I'm not taking any class.
Yeah, ma'am, I can understand.
I just, when I got time, I start practicing. and some when I got time, when that time I watch some cartoon, English related and conversational video, podcast video, that type of video I watch.
Wow, very nice. So, ma'am, as you mentioned, you are going through very tough, tough situations. Even though you really speak much better, more than others, I would say, and you have really good confidence level, what I observe. And ma'am, what do you do for learning spoken English? Only you talking over this application, or you do something else?
No, no. I have no more time for means practicing. Yeah, I'm practicing with my baby. My one baby is 5 year old. Yeah. Uh, Whatever means how much I know, I used to yeah, means I speak with her daily. Yeah. This is my one way, and now I'm talking to you.
Okay, okay. But I would say this is a really right way of learning spoken English, because if you talk to your baby, so your baby can also learn from you, right?
Yes, also, yeah, she also can learn, and even she understood everything, but
Wow.
not fluent in speaking. But gradually, she is also growing with me, and I'm also. And so that is the reason that we are creating a environment in our home
Yeah,
for
that's
practicing. She and me both are practicing together.
of course, ma'am, you are doing well, I would say. I really appreciate all the housemaker who speak with their kids. Many of them I have connected, and most of the housemakers, make some environment at their houses with their kids. Always talk to self, each other, and improving self. This is a really great way. Yeah.
Yeah, my one reason is means and more reason because I want my baby to speak English fluently in future. That's why I'm
Wow.
learning
Yeah.
for her.
Yeah, ma'am. I really salute you because you are really caring about your baby's future, and that's why you learning English. It's a really commendable, I would say, appreciable. So,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
do you like traveling?
yes. But who will not like traveling? But we have no more time.
Yeah, yeah. Time issue, I can
Uh,
understand.
issue of money.
Yeah, yeah. Money is big issue, I would say, but
Yeah.
it's okay. I personally think like the time time must change, and one day if you get chance, so I personally think like you must go many places, right?
Yeah,
Amazing, ma'am.
I have visited some places means in UP, Delhi, and Red Fort of Agra, and
Wow.
Taj Mahal means Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
think
visited
Delhi is,
some places.
yeah, Agra is really beautiful
Rashtrapati
place.
Bhavan, and is the place where um, Mahatma Gandhi.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very nice. Actually, I have also visited a few places, but not very far from my city. Very nearest because I live in Bihar, you know very well, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
I when I speak before that time you had told me the
yeah.
from Bihar.
So, ma'am, tell me, like, what is your hobbies and what is your desire? What is your aim?
My aim is become a government teacher.
Wow.
In, yeah,
Okay. And what
in
is your
the
life aim? Life goal. What is your life goal?
life goal. Yeah, become a government teacher and become a bright future of my babies.
Wow. Great. Very nice. And do you like to read any books, like any stories?
Yes, yes. I always read books. Some books I have bought. Tenali Ram story, Birbal's story book in English. I bought so many books, story books.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're doing
I
well.
tell you, even uh, I make some videos of story reading and I upload on YouTube. My YouTube
Wow.
channel name is it means what is the name of Sky CS Education 2022. That is the name of my YouTube channel, and I
Oh,
uploaded more videos, English grammar video, active passive tense, direct indirect, and some Hindi passage translate in English, and some more so many story I translate in English to Hindi, and I uploaded on my channel. You can see I have I think 6,000 subscriber I
wow.
gained. But now my
Of course.
channel is still my channel is not monetized.
Okay, no issue, ma'am. I think sooner, yeah, even later, must be, you must get success. But you are
Yeah,
doing
right.
well job.
Yeah, right now remaining 400 hour I remain complete. After that,
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
uh,
So, ma'am, like you know very well, we have a cross 2024, right? And we enter in a 2025. So, what kinds of new habits have you inculcated? May I
yeah.
know?
Yes, yes. Because yeah, recently I am so busy in my life. Means my first baby is also so little, and my second baby is even now 4 months. But, but when now someone is calling me.
You cut the call,
Now
ma'am. No issue.
now they are growing. After that, sorry, what I
No, no
have
issue.
done.
You cut the call because it happened with me also many times.
Okay, okay. So yeah, I want to yeah bright future of my babies and me also.
Okay.
Become yeah, I should become successful. Means how to gain some money for my baby's future. Because money is
Yeah.
everything. If you understood, yeah,
Yeah, you're right. Money is everything. If you have good money, then you can live your life. You can provide the good education your kid. Right. So many things are there. Great.
because before after 4 or 5 days there is some sunlight. That's why we are so happy
Ah.
and they are
Mhm.
playing and
Yes, ma'am. In my place, weather is so tough. Very cold.
yes,
But
yeah,
today I can have some sign of, light of sun. Yeah, today is good.
yeah.
So, ma'am, do you want to ask me any questions? So you can ask me. Because I ask
Yeah,
you so many questions.
tell me how I become fluent much
Okay.
better.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, I would say the few things then you have to do. The one thing you have already doing, like reading, right? Another
Yes.
things, ma'am, you need to listening so much. If you listen so much, then you can understand, right? And
Yeah, yeah.
daily you need to practice because practice makes man perfect. You know the idioms, right? So
Yes, yes,
practice you must follow daily. And another thing, you need to write some, daily routine over your notebook so that
yes,
you can
yes.
improve your grammar. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm not writing right now. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. No
yeah.
issue.
Do.
Yeah. Because in this time, are you having very busy schedule, very hectic routine? That's why. But let's see in future, if you have time, then you must do this. So these are just way you can improve your English and become fluent into this. And you are
Yeah,
already fluent.
yeah. Recently, I was not able to make any sentences in front of camera. Yeah, but still now I'm making something. But I'm
Yeah.
making, but no worry about that. In future,
No issue.
I will become fluent and be the
Everyone, everyone make mistakes. No issue, ma'am. You can make it smooth. Okay, right.
Yeah.
If we
Okay.
can say native speaker also make many mistakes. Nothing happen. Everyone knows.
Yeah.
So कैंची वही होगा तो पता नहीं क्या हुआ. So, ma'am, like I'm asking you the one questions like most of the people, do not like cooking. Do you like cooking?
Yes, yes, I like.
Okay.
Because
So how?
I have a short family. My in-laws, my husband, my two baby, and me. There are six members in my family. Yeah, I
Okay.
like what I want to eat. I cook. I just cook.
Okay. Then I think I would say you are the all-rounder. You know very well how to make, so many recipe, right?
No, no. You have not. If you not all rounder, but you have curiosity to make something, so you can do anything because this is a era of means social media. You can learn everything from social media, but you should have to curiosity for doing. If you do not
Yeah.
want to do anything, then you can't do anything.